Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to hide the file path while running your any sort of code inside VS Code. So by default, let's suppose we have this Python file that we are running. So when we click run Python file, so what happens right here inside the terminal, it actually shows all these clutter messages alongside with the file path as well. So what file you are running. So if you want to hide this and get a clear output, only the output that you want, then in that scenario you need to use an extension which is a really popular extension, which is code runner. Code runner is actually a great extension for running all sort of programs in different programming languages. It's got almost 39 million downloads. So first of all, you just need to install this extension. So after installing this extension, you need to go to its settings. So just click the settings option and go to its settings. So first of all, you need to check mark this option. By default it's checked, which is clear previous output. So just tick mark this option and then just scroll here and you just need to tick mark this option, so it will be checked by default. Just make sure that it is checked, and then also just untick this option. By default it will be unticked, so by mistake if you have ticked this option, so untick this option, show execution message. After that you need to go inside this executor map. So just click this button, edit in settings.json. So for all the programming languages this extension runs here. So whichever programming language you are working with, so let's suppose we are working with Python right here, you just need to add this line of code here. If you are on Linux, you just need to write here clear, and so if you are on Linux, but if you are on Windows, in my case I am on Windows, so I will write here CLS. So this will clear out the previous output and then run this actual code. So that's all that we need to do right here. After that you again run the same file once again. So if you now see, there will be this option added, which is run code. This option is coming because of this code runner extension. So if you click run code, so now what happens is you will get a clear output. So as you see, let me restart everything. Let me kill the terminal and was again run this. So once again you click run code. So now what happens, you only get this clear output. So now if you see, you only get the clear output. In this easy way you can hide the file path, and also if you are running Python 3 you can add this Python 3. If you are running Python 3, so you can do this as well. So again if you do this, I think we have selected this option run in terminal, so just make sure that you select this option. So after that once again you do this run code. So now you will see the input function will also work. So previously the input function was not working because we haven't added that Python 3. So if you are using the latest version of Python, so just make sure that you add Python 3 as well. So now we can even use the input function. So as soon as we take the input, we display the output. So in this easy way, you get a crystal clear output, and you actually delete all those clutter messages and the file path. You can hide that file path. So you get a clear output. So personally I use this setup by using this code runner extension, and just follow the step-by-step instruction that I showed you, and you will be able to hide the file path and get a clear output while running your code in VS Code. So definitely check this out. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also comment if your problem is solved.